Hey everyone, let's learn how to make eggless chocolava cake using ghee today. Let's get started. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of dahi or yogurt. Add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and whisk it well. Now add half teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and whisk it gently. Do not overdo the step. Set this aside for 5 minutes. Sift 1/4 cup of maida along with 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and a pinch of salt. Now to 3 tablespoons of milk add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it well. The earlier mixture has now become bubbly. To this, let's add our dry ingredients and the milk and vanilla extract mixture in 2 batches and fold it very gently. Make sure you do this step very gently, but also make sure that there are no lumps in the batter. Let's add the rest of the dry ingredients and the milk mixture and fold it gently. Now add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Here I am adding A2 ghee from Amritam. Fold it gently to combine all the ingredients well. I have taken 2 tin molds. I have greased and dusted them well. Now let's transfer the mixture equally into the 2 molds. Now add 2 dark chocolate cubes and cover it with the cake batter. Bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. The chocolate lava cakes are out of the oven and they are ready. Unmold the cake and sprinkle some powdered sugar and it's ready. Now dig into this and enjoy. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share and do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon for the notifications.